Hi everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Um we've made it. We are at the halfway point. It's 16th of October and we are halfway. Yay! Yesterday we did this little cute skeleton with all the candy, and today we are going to do this page. I took out the fixed combo I use for the eyes. So if you have been following me for the entire time, you must know it by heart. Right now it's BG6, BG7, and BG68. So these are the combinations for the eyes. And I thought it would be fun to go full out pastels. So I have V230, R242, GY172, and BG4, the mint blue. So, of course, you can always do your own interpretation of this page. I know I'm going to put in some glitter, and I still haven't figured out what I'm going to do with the numbers yet. But let's get a drink, let's get your supplies, and let's have some coloring fun, folks. What an incredible, cute page this has turned out to be. And it is a Halloween costume, so we are allowed to go full out on color. And I love, love, love these pastels. For the people who follow me along with coloring and the colors, the second run I do are the exact same color numbers as I do the first time I go over this page. So don't worry, there are no different colors. I just used a fixed palette and I don't switch. As you saw, I did add the yellow, the Y030, because it needed something a little bit different that went with the green of the skin. So yeah, love it, love it, love it. Let me go to almost the highlight of the day in the month of October, and that is coloring in a beautiful little leaf. I think it's time to do a blue. Number 16. I love this. We are halfway, counting down to 31 now. And I know the next one is one of my all-time favorites in this book. So here we go. Yes, here it is. And I have ideas for this one. There's gonna be a really bright reddish pink in there, bright greens. So I'm gonna try to do a little bit of little shop of horrors kind of page. But we still have one night to sleep over it and make final decisions. And look at this, folks. We are filling up this book like champions. I get so lovely and heartwarming responses to this project. Thank you all so much. And I know we are going to finish this. I'm determined. Road is still long, but we are halfway. So if you made it this far, congratulations, everybody. We finished half a book. Let's sleep over it for a night. What color palette we are going to choose for the Little Shop of Horrors page. And I will hope to see you in the next one tomorrow. Bye-bye.